Are you happy when you receive gifts? How does it feel if you receive such gifts from your loved ones? For me, I really appreciate and I really give value to those, whether it's small or big.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Your band from John City. I'm your sister.
Today's video, guys.
Careful on the stairs.
Keep going for life.
Don't give up. We're here. Every heartbeat's a spark. Every dream's your ride. Through the highs and lows, we rise and grow. Keep going for life. Let your spirit show. You got stories still to write. Moments waiting in the light. Every stumble makes you strong. Not alone. Happy holidays, Star.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Keep going for life. Don't
If
give
anyone
up the
fails to
fight.
fix you badly, they'll
Every
execute you.
heartbeat's a spark.
Don't worry, Mom.
Every dream's your right.
Kids, come on, take a
Through
seat.
the highs and lows,
Here, I'll
we
give you one thing.
rise and grow. Keep going for life. Let your spirit show.
Thank you, Mom.
Don't just sit there.
Step
Serve
by
some
step,
musician.
we make our way.
All right.
Almost
How's it going?
waiting in the light.
And
Every stumble makes you strong. You're not alone. Just
here
sing
also
along.
my other
Keep
bag.
going for life.
Your
Don't
brother's
give
baby
up
is just
the
for you.
fight. Every heartbeat's a spark. Every dream's your right.
Come on, have some tea.
Highs and lows, we rise and grow. Keep going for life. Let your spirit show.
Stay with me.
Let the whole world know. Step by step, we make our way. One more sunrise, one more day. Hearts
And
wide
I
open,
have
love and hope.
bingo.
Keep going for life. Shine your inner light. Don't get dim. What's burning bright. Stronger than we know. Still to grow. Keep going for life. Let the whole world know. Let the whole world know.
Barefoot. The blouse. And also
Let the whole world know.
bear. Not a bear. So, thank you sa ating kumari.
When you feel too weak to carry, just take
Thank you so
your
much.
eyes. There's a light beyond the cloudy skies. Keep going
Gifts
for
na to.
life. Don't give up the fight. Every heart
So yun lang guys. Basta genuine receipt. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you,
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, in this crazy life we live.
Here we go! Ethelallera here. I'm so excited to share with you guys that I have received during the month. I feel so blessed and grateful for the love and thoughtfulness from friends and all of you.
Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship.
I'm honestly touched by every single gift. They're not just things, they're full of love, memories, and the thoughts behind them. Means so much to me. Thank you to everyone who made my birthday extra special this year. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you for celebrating with me and for being part of my journey. Your love, support, and presence in my life are truly the best gifts I could ever ask for. Until next time, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep spreading kindness. Bye for now. Ethelallera here. Thank you for watching.
My friend, there's no need to wear a friendship, oh friendship. Upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethelallera here is signing off.